Hey fitness enthusiasts, if you're determined to look fit and shed that stubborn belly fat, you've landed on the right video. Today I'll walk you through the top 5 fat-burning exercises. These workouts will not only help you lose weight, but also boost your overall fitness. Running is a fantastic exercise for burning fat. It's simple, affordable, and accessible. When we talk about fat burning, we're really discussing fat oxidation, which is the process of breaking down stored fat for energy. This happens most effectively during aerobic activities like running, where oxygen plays a vital role. As you run, your body uses oxygen to break down fat molecules, releasing energy. The key is to run at a moderate pace to maximize fat oxidation. Sprinting too fast can actually decrease the rate at which your body burns fat. For example, running at about 8 kilometers per hour can burn around 670 kilocalories per hour. But remember, running alone won't magically melt away fat. It's all about creating a caloric deficit, where you burn more calories than you consume. Running also has an interesting post-workout benefit known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This means your body continues to burn calories at a slightly elevated rate, even after you've finished running. This phenomenon helps with additional fat burning long after your run. Jumping jacks are another excellent exercise for fat loss. This simple move can elevate your heart rate quickly, providing a robust cardiovascular workout that's essential for burning calories and fat. Studies show that jumping jacks can burn about 12 kilocalories per minute. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups at once. Your legs, arms, core, and shoulders all get involved, which not only helps burn calories during the workout, but also boosts overall fat loss. The rapid movements involved in jumping jacks can significantly increase your metabolism, meaning you continue to burn calories even after you've stopped exercising. Squats are a powerhouse when it comes to burning fat and building muscle. While you might not immediately think of squats as a fat-burning exercise, they are incredibly effective. Squats engage some of the largest muscle groups in your body, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Building muscle through squats increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Research indicates that squats can burn an impressive 35 kilocalories per minute. Additionally, squats trigger a beneficial hormonal response, releasing growth hormones and other substances that promote muscle growth and fat loss. Regular squatting also improves your overall body composition by helping you shed fat and build muscle, resulting in a more toned and defined physique. While spot reduction is a myth, squats contribute to overall fat loss, including in stubborn areas like the belly. Jumping rope is a high-intensity exercise that's incredibly effective for burning fat. It's a full-body workout that engages your legs, arms, core, and back. This means you can burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time. For instance, just 5 minutes of jumping rope can burn around 50-70 kilocalories. A 20-minute session can burn up to 241 kilocalories for someone weighing 200 pounds. It's also a fantastic cardiovascular workout, elevating your heart rate and improving heart health and endurance. The sustained movement of jumping rope keeps your heart rate elevated, leading to significant calorie burn. What's great about jumping rope is that it helps you maintain muscle mass while you lose fat. This is crucial because more muscle mass means a higher resting metabolic rate, which translates to more efficient fat burning throughout the day. Burpees are often referred to as the ultimate full-body workout. They combine explosive movements like jumping with bodyweight resistance exercises like push-ups, making them incredibly effective for burning calories and building muscle. Performing burpees rapidly increases your heart rate, burning an average of 12 kilocalories per minute. One of the unique benefits of burpees is their ability to boost your metabolism even after you've finished your workout. This high-intensity exercise keeps your metabolic rate elevated post-exercise, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Burpees target major muscle groups, including your legs, core, chest, and arms. As you perform this explosive exercise, you're not only burning fat but also building lean muscle mass. More muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate, leading to more efficient fat burning. There you have it. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can significantly boost your fat-burning potential and improve your overall fitness. Whether you're running, doing jumping jacks, squatting, jumping rope, or tackling burpees, each of these exercises will help you on your journey to a fitter, healthier you. Don't forget to check out other videos on this channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Stay dedicated, stay fit, and see you next time.